Moto Guru. In this video, we're going to be cutting an Oxford Boss 12mm chain using an angle grinder. We're going to be using a Makita DGA452Z 18 volt portable cordless angle grinder, and we're going to be using Norton cutting discs to achieve the task. So let's get to it. Charles playing. So there you have it, 1 minute 34.5 seconds, and we are clean through the link. So let's look at the results in more detail. The first cut took 52 seconds and the second cut was only slightly faster at 42 seconds. So the overall cutting time, 1 minute 34.5 seconds. What's worth considering also is the total elapsed time. So that's the time from the first cut till we were completely through, including rearranging the chain in the vise. And that was 1 minute 56 seconds. So under 2 minutes all in, including the stoppages and changing the chain over. So what can we conclude from this? Well, in my opinion, the Oxford Boss 12mm chain does not provide a sufficient deterrent against a thief with an angle grinder. We cut through this chain relatively easily in under 2 minutes. If you are going to use this chain to lock something valuable, I suggest you use it as a secondary chain, perhaps to hold a cover down or something like that, and then use a more substantial chain as your main deterrent. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share and subscribe.